Construction Site on Christmas Night, written and illustrated by Sherry Dusky Rinker and A.J. Ford. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big project of the year, the team is slamming into gear. So much is riding on the crew, they have a major job to do. A special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great. Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day, he pushes hard to clear the way. 4 hours he powers this way and that and clears the site in no time flat. He turns away to end his shift, but in his way, a massive gift. With cable ribbon from the yard, it's topped off with a thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade, custom paint job, custom made. Merry Christmas, Bulldozer. Good night. Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere. Scooping, chugging at full blast, he digs up the foundation fast. Clouds roll in, a brisk wind blows, a snowflake falls right on his nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right, and right on time. As Excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone's left a big surprise. The card says, "Thanks for all you do," and it's signed simply, "From our crew." Look, a shiny yellow scoop. His old one has a broken tooth. Merry Christmas, Excavator. Good night. Cement mixer has concrete to pour. He lays the foundation, walls, and floor, and then he churns another load that will be used to make a road. He twirls, he rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chores. He rolls away to take a bath, but something's sitting in his path. A giant box, his name's on top. He rumbles to a grinding stop. No card, no note, who is it from? Who could have left a brand new drum? His drum is old, beat up and plain, but this one's like a candy cane. Merry Christmas, cement mixer. Good night. An icy wind blows in his face, but dump truck revs to keep the pace. His back is sore, his tires are shot, but dump truck gives it all he's got. And soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. He turns to go but stops in all, the biggest box he ever saw. He blows his stack, his engine fires, it's a fresh new set of tires. Midnight black with thick tough tread, he tucks the old ones in his bed. Merry Christmas, dump truck. Good night. With whipping winds and loads that sway, Crane Truck's job is tough today, but he keeps working right along, bravely lifting firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane Truck's work is done at last. The job's all finished, one last stop. Crane Truck puts up star on top. But Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone's left a special gift. A rock'em sock'em wrecking ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Merry Christmas, Crane Truck. Good night. Engines rev and bells ring out, sirens blare and horns shout. Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive, driving proudly, looking fine, bumpers, ladders, all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny, rolling through. It's the town's new fire crew. On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home built just right. And with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in. Turn off ignition, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play, for all that's given and received and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh. All the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night. The end. Friends, I hope you enjoyed our story today. Until next time, bye.